subscribers, YouTube channel followers, watchers, all that good stuff, button clickers, bell notifications, all that good stuff. Thank y'all for following us. Thank y'all for watching these videos. Hold the camera straight, cameraman.
It is straight.
Thank y'all for subscribing. If you don't mind, go ahead and get this out of the way and click into the thing down below and maybe hit the subscribe button if you don't mind. Hit the bell notification so you get the alerts whenever new videos come out. This week, our topic of conversation and our little adventure is going to be Longhorn Fab Shop's seat lowering bases. It actually lowers your seat down a little bit and puts it a little bit more of an angle back. This is going on a XP4 General 1000 XP4. Cameraman can pan around that way and see the machine sitting there. So we're going to take this factory seat, take off this factory seat base. Now this kit reuses part of this hardware here, but it does away with this thick base here. And what it'll do is it'll set the thing down a little bit lower of an angle. You can see how it's sitting up here. And then what it'll do is it'll sort of tilt it back a little bit. So you're not sitting quite so far
straight up.
Yeah. So what it'll do is in turn, it'll basically take this general seat and put it in between a razor seat and a general seat. You'll just get a little bit more of an angle. All right, so we'll get started.
Well, I've been selling my soul, working all day, overtime hours for bullshit pay, so I can sit out here and waste my life away, drag back home and drown my troubles away. It's a damn shame what the world's gotten to for people like me, people like you. Wish I could just wake up and it not be true, but it is. Oh, it is living in the new world with an whole soul. These rich men north of Richmond, Lord knows they all just wanna have total control. Wanna know what you think, wanna know what you do, and they don't think you know, but I know that you do. 'Cause your dollar ain't shit, and it's taxed to no end. 'Cause the rich men, north of Richmond. I wish politicians look out for miners, and not just miners on an island somewhere. Lord, we got folks in the street, ain't got nothing to eat, and the Hobies milking welfare. God, if you're 5'3" and you're 300 pounds, taxes ought not to pay for your bags of fudge rounds. Young men are putting themselves 6 feet in the ground, 'cause all this damn country does is keep on kicking them down. Lord, it's a damn shame what the world's gotten to for people like me, people like you. Wish I could just wake up and it not be true, but it is. Oh, it is living in the new world with an whole soul. These rich men north of Richmond, Lord knows they all just wanna have total control. Wanna know what you think, wanna know what you do, and then I'll think.
So these little short ones with the spacer on it here.
Small.
Go in your latch with the lock with the 5/16 washers on it, and the lock nut. It says the instructions say put them on both sides. I'm not sure if they've come out with different bolts since I put them in a razor. The razor seats work fine. I put them on both sides, but this one, you put a washer on both sides. This nut here doesn't have enough. The threads aren't long enough on this bolt for that nut to get up in there to the nylon. So in other words, just the lock part of the lock nut is no longer is not contacting the bolt. So you got to do away with that bottom washer. Anyway, now I'm putting these the longer of the pegs goes in the front of the seat per the instructions as well. And that's what locks it in. That's what helps lock it in.
Oh, did you lose it?
There you go. Now when we've mounted to the bottom of the seat, we're going to make sure it fits in the machine. I need some light. Did you get a grommet both of them? You didn't get a grommet this other side.
No, I did not.
We go. There you go. It's locked in.
Hey, that's pretty good. All you gotta do now is put it on the seat, right?
Yep.
Let me tell you a little story about how I was raised. Everyday work, everyday pray. God, family, friends, yeah, everybody sins. A winner never quits and a quitter never wins. Help folks in need, don't fall for greed. A jealous man is weak, so think before you speak. If you love them, let them know. If you hate, let it go. Fast can be fun, but sometimes you need slow. God is all good, the devil is so real. So listen up, y'all, cause this is how I feel.
Screws in the bottom loose. Make sure I had the right adjustment, right place. Ow, just smashed my finger. That stupid bar right there. I don't know why that bar's back there.
It's in there.
Yeah, it's locked in.
Try to open the door, aren't you?
Yep. Yep, that'll work right there.
That one looks a little bit more lean back. Get in there and sit in there. I think it makes it come forward more.
I think that for a tall man.
I think that thing was
sitting further forward now.
Yep. But Wes is short. So.
Well, because it lays it back, and you got that bar back there. You can't go back so far. So.
Get it out that way.
Here, you want to comment and see how it does?
Yeah.
There you go. So that concludes our
Half your face was cut off.
our Longhorn seat lowering tilt bases. So I don't know, all in all, that's a 45-minute install. 45-minute install is all it was. So there you go. Till next time, hit the like, subscribe button, all that good stuff down below if you hadn't already.
Please stop saying don't forget to like and subscribe.
Sure, but how are we going to get followers on this?
We appreciate you subscribers, and Happy trails.